Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the freaking video. So I am human and took a little break from making crypto videos for the last couple days just because I needed to for my own mental health. I'm running 2 other YouTube channels as well as this one, and those ones are much bigger. And I just really do this for fun, and there's not much going on in the markets anyways. I mean, we broke the $40,000 levels, but it's nothing we haven't seen in the past. And we are still creating higher lows. It's looking very bullish at this moment, but we do want to start seeing some buying pressure here. But I did take some time off just to kind of recoup and get my head straight. So I will be posting more videos, don't get me wrong, especially if we spike, but we're just not seeing any like crazy price action at the moment. So yeah, well, let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. Boom, 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 boom. Eli. Hope you guys understand. I hope your year is going well so far. It's January, February. It's almost March already. I'm not good with my months, my friends. I'm a math guy. So, yeah, I mean, everything's looking good. We're coming back down to test this double bottom, just like we said in the previous videos. So, we just want to see some support around this double bottom here. And around the 758 level. Once we see that, then we'll be chilling. Like, okay, so, not chilling. I'm going to get in-depth for you guys. This is an in-depth technical analysis. I'm a little rusty, my friends. I took about a week off. Let's get into it, though. I got you guys. Stay tuned. So, currently at the 832 levels, we are on the 2 hourly candles, and we want... Okay, right now we are testing these previous support lines. Now, the volume was not thick here. The volume here was also not thick. But if we do break through this previous support, this is our next level that we need to watch. Down at these 769 levels, we want to see some buying pressure. We want to see some volume step in. We want to see those buyers come in and push the price higher, indicating that they don't want this price to go lower than these 769 levels, and they're going to continue to make it push higher, creating a double bottom, which is very bullish. So we want to see it come here, boom, bounce, come back up, probably going to retrace, and then come back up. That's how we want this natural price action to move. All right? Cool. Like exactly like this. At this 925 level, it's more resistance over here. So come back up, test this previous resistance here, come back down about 30% of the Fibonacci. Just look at this. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Just the eyeballs, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. 30%. Oh my gosh. That's so. Look at that. That is some nice line drawing. I'm very proud of myself for that one. You should check out the Patreon for that one. Real-time buy and sell alerts. For whenever the best times to buy are. I am still currently waiting on getting in because my average and a lot of people in the Patreon's average are around these 6-8 levels and 6-2 levels. My average is around 6-2. Some people even gotten around the 5. So you're up a lot right now, which is not a lot, but you're up a good amount. Almost 65%, which is a great thing. I'm currently up around 20 to 30, I think, so nothing too significant, but in a red market, being up 20 to 30% is a great thing. So I don't want to average in at a higher price because it will move this up and make it easier to go negative. And I don't like losing money. If you want to become a billionaire, even a millionaire, the key is to get obsessed with not losing money. Okay? Don't get obsessed with making money. Get obsessed with not losing money and creating value in the marketplace. All right? Now, crypto is a different story. You're not really creating value. You're just investing into value. All right? And this is just hype. Okay? This is a meme coin. It doesn't really mean much. So don't get emotionally attached to Dogelon Mars. I say it's heading to Mars because I truly do believe it is. But that could change if news comes out. Let's say crypto is banned in the United States. All right, that means I'm definitely selling like all of my crypto. If it gets completely outlawed in the United States, because that's my primary residency, and I won't be able to use it. So news like that's out of the control, really can't do anything about it. But the coin itself is a great hype meme coin to invest in. Third biggest one in the world. Anyways, yeah, back to the Patreon. If you want real-time buy and sell alerts, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. And yeah, you guys can get the best prices and know when to take profits. That's the biggest thing. If you already have, I'm guessing if you're watching this video right now, you already have a little bit of skin in the game. So Patreon will help with whenever we do a spike, getting out and making those profits, okay? Because you're going to make profits, all right? There's no doubt. You're going to make profits, especially if you got in around these levels, all right? We're already in profits. So now the biggest option, the biggest thing to do is to get out at the peaks. Get out at the peaks before it crashes again. And that's what I'm here to help you guys with. Get out at the peaks before it crashes. Because this is the difference between 1,000% gain and a 100% gain, okay? So it's just a big thing. I rode the Shiba Inu wave, and it was very nice, very nice. I got out around the top, around those 60 levels, I think. Let's just go ahead and look at Shiba. I'm actually super curious. This video, I'm just going to kind of just hop around and talk about multiple things. So yeah, I got out around these 60 levels, somewhere in these 60 levels, okay? I didn't time the exact top, but I wasn't using technical analysis either. I just kind of invested and then used like only psychology. Told you guys the Chick-fil-A story. For those of you who don't know the Chick-fil-A story about Shiba Inu, I was going through the Chick-fil-A drive-thru after filming for my other YouTube channels, and just to get something to eat because we were freaking hungry. It was a hard day of work, right? So I asked the guy, probably 16 years old, in the drive-thru line, I was like, hey man, you in any crypto? He was like, yeah, I heard of Shiba Inu. And that's when I knew that there's nobody else that's gonna even, everyone was talking about this. That means there's nobody else to buy the price and push it higher, okay? So when everyone's hyping something up and talking about it, that's when you need to start slowly taking out profits. Right now, when everyone is like, oh my God, my investments are going so bad, that's when you should start adding bags. And that's what we're doing here on this channel. That's how we make money on this channel, because we know how. That's just simple emotional psychology, though. All right. It gets way deeper than that when it comes to technical analysis, because not only when you mix the two, you have a very good trading strategy. Because with emotional psychology, emotional analysis, and technical analysis, not only can you get the best price with technical analysis, you can also time the market and get out at the highest price with technical analysis and emotional analysis. But it varies day to day. That's why it's either you watch these videos every day or someone that knows what they're talking about and knows emotional and technical analysis. If you have another YouTube channel, it's either about watching videos every day or learning it yourself. Now, I don't want a shameless plug, but if you're actually really interested in learning this type of emotional and technical analysis, then check out the course in the description. I know it's a course. Oh my God, it's a course. But this is for people who actually want to, learn this stuff. So you don't have to. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to watch videos and be not controlled, but you don't have control over your investments if you don't know what you're doing. So it's a good investment and it will help you the rest of your life. And I'm very confident to say that. Not only in the crypto markets, in every market. I'm using it with stocks. That's what I wanted to tell you guys about. Okay, so remember I brought this stock up. SBEA stock. It was a merger stock, all right? It was a merger stock. I got in around the 9.8 levels. But they actually changed now. They merged, and it is now BRCC, Black Rifle Coffee Company. It's a great coffee company. It's pretty much the coffee company of the it's like, it's a lot to do with politics. I'm not really much into politics, but you can make money. That's all I'm here to do. What I'm saying is that we have seen some major action. I have just bought around, I think it was $2,000 more. I added on to this position. So, because this is my reasoning. You see this volume thickening up, and then it's coming back down, and it's basing again at the same volume as it was before. So, it's going to continue. And if you guys want to get in, this is a great company. Now, I think it's a coffee company of the left. So, it doesn't matter. It's money is money. It doesn't matter what political view you have. That's their moat. Now, in stocks, different with crypto, but not really. But with stocks, it's actual real companies that create real value in the marketplace. Crypto is completely different. It has nothing to do with real value. It's just about estimated value, okay? Unless it's like a charity coin that's actually giving away things. So, but this stock is a coffee company, and their revenue has been getting higher and higher every year. They actually have a YouTube channel as well. I think it has 1 million or so followers. Black Rifle Coffee. Something like, yeah, see? 847,000 followers. One day ago, 60,000. Could you be a pregnant man? All right, they're very relevant today. And that is important, because if you're not relevant today, then no one's going to buy your stuff. Now, Starbucks, they have their own thing. They have a moat because they're so big right now. But the moat of Black Rifle Coffee Company, let me explain a moat. A moat is what distinguishes one company from the entire rest of the industry. The moat of Black Rifle Coffee Company is that they're military, all right? They're veteran owned. And they are very, very, very hard on guns. They're hard on just hard Navy SEAL type people, You walk into the store, I'll show you. Black Rifle. They actually just opened one near me. I live up in Florida. They opened the first one in Florida. Coffee. Boom. But look, images, right? Black Rock guns. They're all about guns. They're all about med kits. They have like ammunition boxes that you can order. Their coffee comes in. So you see, this is their moat. Is veteran-owned military. I don't know what you call it. Where military people like to come and visit. Literally, the first time I walked into this place, I feel like I'm really hyping them up. I'm just saying it's a good buy. First time I walked into this place is I live next to a military base, biggest military base in the world actually, and there was just military people in uniform having a meeting. It's a pretty cool thing. But yeah, so if you guys followed along with this stock whenever I first shouted it out, you'd be up around 100% right now. So it's much better than what crypto's doing. So, I mean, stocks, you can make a lot of money, but I'm holding this long term, like long term as in 10 years. This is a retirement stock, my friends. Anyways, yeah, so that's what we're looking at with Elon. I gave you a little stock tip, and then some emotional and technical analysis. Check out the course if you want to learn that. Link is in the description. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Love you guys.